How to create an Add Yours template on Instagram. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you exactly how to make Add Yours template on Instagram story. If you're looking to create your very own Add Yours template on Instagram, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. This helps avoid any glitches and ensures all the newest features are available. Now, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the bottom or top to create a new story. Select any background image you'd like to use. This will be the base of your template. Once your image is loaded, tap the sticker icon at the top of the screen. Now choose the Add Yours template sticker from the list. Hit Next to move forward. To personalize your template with text or images, tap the text icon at the top. Type out your text that fits your theme and tap Done when you're finished. Then tap the pin icon to pin your text or images in place on the screen. You can also paint the background if you want. Once everything looks the way you want, tap Next. Tap on your story to post it. Then tap Share Template so others can use it too. Now you've just made your own Add Yours template on Instagram.